Alright guys, well, taking the hatch to work tomorrow, so gotta take everything out that's inside. So just this part, that, and a few miscellaneous things. There's no water in the radiator because I had to remove the radiator to weld the mid plate in the last video. So I'm gonna put water from the water hose just for now, just for me to go to work. I'm gonna drain it, and I am gonna put distilled water with some water wetter, but I'm just driving it for the day, so I don't really care. Also, if you see some tires in the back, I'm gonna be changing the tires on the Z. So if you guys see some tires back there, they're for the Z. Look how dusty it is, you guys. But time to have her stretch her legs. I don't really want to take it out because if I take it out, I know I'm gonna beat on it, and that's what I don't want. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new to the channel, I don't really take the hatch out because I needed driving to get the roll cage painted and all that. So I'm babying it until all that's done, then I'll make a video you guys want to watch, which is me beating on it, do some burnouts and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's why I don't take it out. I'm gonna steal the battery from the daily real quick. Also got some front suspension that just came in, so I'm gonna have to replace a few things in the front end, but that's gonna be another video. And yes, I have a Walmart battery. Well, I got the battery in and the ECU, but the battery's always moving around when I'm driving, so I'm gonna do this, and it's very ghetto, but I just don't need the battery flying around. So I'm gonna just put a screw down on the floor, and it should just hold the battery in place just for tomorrow. I am planning on getting a smaller battery and putting it under the bumper, but that's after they put the weight plate in the front. After they do all that, then that's when I'll start mocking up the battery over there. But until that day comes, the battery is gonna be pretty ghetto rigged. This is pretty loose. Heck, I tightened this one pretty good, but this one, this terminal is just too big. But oh well, still works. I just gotta go to work and come back. All right, well, that should do. Also, I was gonna let you guys know, if you guys see some clips better footage than the other, or I mean quality, the little GoPro I have is not the best. You are gonna be seeing some clips at night, but it's just early in the morning, so maybe the next few clips are gonna be in the dark, so I apologize for that. But after that, when I get out of work, I am gonna be giving my friend a ride, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm gonna just go ahead, turn the car on, put some water in the radiator, and go from there. Well, it's already getting dark, but let's see if it turns on first try. Yep, I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. I got the water hose right over there, so I'm gonna just pull it forward, put water in it, turn it around, and take it out through the alley. It's just temporary, you guys. Oh. Alright, well, I got it all bled. I still gotta put the little duckbill on the back, that way it doesn't look too naked, but that's pretty much it. Probably the next clip is just gonna be on the GoPro in the morning, so it is gonna be pretty dark. I'm gonna try and get a pull in, but yeah, we'll go from there. See you guys in the morning. Guys, I didn't get any pulls in the morning because I was running late. So right now I'm gonna just lower the tire pressure, see if it hooks up a little bit, because I did do a little pull off camera and it just knocked the fucking tires off. So I'm gonna put them at 15 first, see how it looks. If not, then I'm gonna put them at 12. Look at that, they were at 35, but I let some air out already, so I'm gonna go all the way to 15. But no wonder it was just spinning like crazy. Now they are steelies, you guys, so that's why I'm just lowering the tire pressure. See where we're at, 19. I'll leave them at 18. 17 it is. See what this side's on. 34. Alright, well, this one's at 17.5, just like the other side. Went ahead and I put the mount for the GoPro on, so that's ready. Car's ready. Lowered the tire pressure, so we're good to go. But the car looks pretty ugly, guys. It needs a paint job, but no money. That's all it needs, just money. I'm like, look at we should do before we take the wheels off?
What?
Burn those tires. Right in front of my mom's house. Alright guys, well, the last clip you guys probably saw was either doing a pull in the hatch or trying to do a burnout on the Z, which the car didn't let me. But first of all, the car didn't want to turn on anymore after those pulls. I came to my house to do a few things on the Z, turn the car off when we were going to go back to work, turned the car on, well, tried, and it wouldn't turn on. Long story short, we lasted about 2 hours just trying to figure it out. And it was because I had the ground right here and there's paint on top, so it doesn't get a good ground. We're over here looking at all the fuses and the main relay wiring, and 2 hours, you guys. That should have been the first thing I looked at, because typically I have it right there and I've never had a problem right there, but for some reason I went ahead and put it right here. And I figured it should be fine because I turned it on, drove it to work and everything. So I didn't even bother to look right here because it drove fine, turned on. So that's why I was like, it's not that. But after 2 hours, I decided to finally check the damn ground, and it was that. Obviously, it's all ghetto rigged, I know. But this, if something like this ever happens to you, or wiring wise, check your grounds, you guys. Check your grounds. Also for the Z, there's a wire you have to cut somewhere on the ECU that allows you to do standstill burnouts. I still have that wire plugged in, so that's probably the reason why it didn't let me, because I launched it and then I waited like a second and then I pressed the brake to see if it actually was the brake pedal, and it was. So I'll redeem myself in another video. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. So give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.